can't believe we're finally here.
Me neither.
It's gonna be so much fun. I hope the flight isn't delayed.
Oh my goodness, I missed you so much. Me too, it's been forever. I'm so glad you're here. You look so peaceful, my dear. Just resting her eyes like always. We're here, sister. We're right here.
Great place to grab coffee.
Oh, I know. I really like it here.
Yeah. Cheers.
I'm just so happy to be here tonight. It's been a long time since we got together like this.
All right, smile now.
You said don't smile.
No, I said a serious one first. Okay, now a happy one.
Okay, got it.
I'm here, you know that. Always.
Thank you.
I'll miss you.
Goodbye.
Back to Auckland.
Looking good, love.
Looking good, love.